Region and empire. The early medieval period saw the emergence of many small kingdoms which were frequently in conflict with one another. Among these recurring conflicts for increasing the area of influence, one of the most known conflicts is the tripartite struggle. Among the Palas, the Pratiharas, and the Rashtrakutas. In South India also, this period saw the emergence of the powerful Chola kings who subjugated large areas of the peninsula and devised their own system of rule and agricultural practices. They were powerful not only politically but financially as well. One of the major sources of their richness were the merchants who traded with the countries of Southeast Asia and China. It was largely because of the huge resources at the disposal of the Chola rulers that many beautiful temples were built during the early medieval period. In North India and the Deccan, large states like those of the Delhi Sultans and the Mughals were created. Which encompassed many regions. However, not all these empires were equally stable or successful, and under different rulers, the dimension and control of the empire varied. Under powerful rulers like Alauddin Khalji and Akbar, the central control remained dynamic not only in the core regions, that is, surrounding Delhi, but also in the peripheral regions and remote areas. Therefore, whenever there were long and continuous periods of weakening of central control, the regions started emerging with their own area of rule. Regional states emerged after the decline of the Delhi Sultanate from the mid-14th century. And again when the Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century. The processes of centralization and regionalization were not mutually exclusive and both influenced one another. On one hand, the Mughal Empire had to take into account the regional elites to govern huge and characteristically divergent territories. On the other hand, long years of Mughal rule had also influenced the character of these regions. This is visible in the manifestation of many distinct and shared traditions in governance, economy, revenue generation machinery, and structure, architecture, painting, and language. The regions imbibed many of the features of the long-existing Mughal Empire.